Hi guys, Organized Mom here, and in today's video, I want to show you tips on how to clean an annoying part of your house, the bathroom. Every home has one, and they are a pain in the butt to clean. So with these tips, I at least find it easier for me to clean it. We're going to start showing you how to clean the grout. First, I sprinkle baking soda in the cracks. Then I pour a little bit of peroxide where I have the baking soda. Then I take a scrub brush from the Dollar Tree and scrub in the cracks. Then I take the same brush and sweep up all the gunk. Then I take a cap full of Fabulosa in my mop water and mop it all up. Then I'm going to clean my tub. I'm using this Brillo dish spray that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to spray it all over the tub. Then I'm going to take the sponge mop from the Dollar Tree and scrub it in. Then I'm going to take a picture with water and rinse it all off. And here is how it turned out. Next, we're going to do the bathroom mirror. I used the spray glass cleaner from the Dollar Tree and spray down the mirror. I put a microfiber rag on top of my flat mop head. Then I use that to wipe it up. For the sink, all I use is dish soap and scrub it in really good and rinse it off. And this is how that turned out. For the fixtures, I use Barbasol on a microfiber rag. I rub it in and polish it till it's shiny. For the tub drain, I'm going to take that same glass cleaner I used on the mirror and spray it onto the drain. Then I'm going to take this round scrub brush and scrub inside and outside of the drain. And here's how the whole project turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!